Let's go over the phone. This is the handset. Then you have your keypad. Here you have your navigation buttons. The one in the middle is the OK button. And the one at the bottom is the cancel button. This is your volume key. It can be used to higher or lower the volume of your ringer, and while on an active call, it can lower or higher the volume of the call. Then you have your soft keys that correspond to the buttons on the screen. And these are your line keys. This is your mute button. If you're on a call, you can just press it to mute the call. This is your headset button. If you have a headset, you can press it to get dial tone and make a call. This is your voicemail button. You press the envelope and is going to ask you for your password. You will have a default password. Enter your password, followed by the pound key. In here, you can play your voicemails and change your greeting. When you're done, simply hang up. This is your most recent calls button, where you could see placed calls and also received calls. You could use the arrow keys to move between them. Press left arrow key or right arrow key. Press up and down to see all your calls. And you can press the call button to call that person. To get back to the main screen, you can press back 2 times or press the cancel button. This is your speakerphone button. Press it to get dial tone to make a call or to answer a call. To make a call, you can either pick up the handset, or you can press the headset button, or you can press the speakerphone button, or you can dial the extension, in this case, 242. Notice how all the buttons change. These are soft keys, and they change after you dial the number, and now you have a call button. Press the call button to make the call, and when you are done, simply hang up. To answer an incoming call, you can pick up the handset, or press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button. You can also press the flashing button, or one of the soft keys, the answer key, and then you are connected to the call. And when you are done, simply hang up. To put a call on hold. Notice how your soft keys change when you are on an active call. You press the hold key, and that puts the call on hold. You can see the call flashing on the top right. Notice how your soft keys change again. You press the resume key, and now you're back to the active call. To transfer a call, you press the transfer key. Then you dial the extension, on this case 242, and then you press the call soft key. Once they answer the phone, you can announce who you have on the phone, and if they want to take the call, then you press the transfer key one more time to transfer the call to them. To do a blind transfer, you hit the transfer key. Then you dial the extension, in this case 242. And then we're going to press the B transfer key. To record a call, press star 9. All callers will hear an announcement that the call is being recorded. To stop recording, press star 9 again. To do a 3-way call while on an active call, you press the conference button. Then you dial the extension that you want to call, in this case, 242. Then you hit the call button. You wait for them to answer. Once they answer, you press the conference button again. And now we're all connected on a conference call. To park a call, we're going to use Park 1 or Part 2. So on an active call, you press Park 1. And you can see that the call is now parked, and it's flashing on Park 1. It's also flashing and parked on all the phones that have Park 1. To get the call from any other phone, all you have to do is press the Park 1 key, and now you are back on that call. Let's go over the soft keys. You have Directory. You press it, then you press 2 for Corporate Directory. Then use your navigation keys to go up and down the list once you find the one you want. Press the call button to call that person. To get back to the main menu, press the back key or the cancel button. To intercom to another phone, all you have to do is press intercom. Then you dial the extension number, in this case 242, followed by pound. And now you are talking to them on their speakerphone. To end the call, just hang up. To page on all the phones, all you have to do is hit the page button. Then you have to dial the page number, in this case 805, followed by pound. You give it a second, and now you are paging on all the phones on their speakerphone. To end the call, hang up. Then you have the 2 little dots to move to the next page. Press the 2 dots, and now you are on the next page. In here, we have Do Not Disturb. You press it, and now your phone is in Do Not Disturb. You will see the icon on the top right of your screen. To turn it off, press the Do Not Disturb button again. And you will see the icon is now gone. How to answer and move between different calls. When you get a call, you can press the flashing button or hit the answer key. Then you have one call. Now, when you get a second call, you will see it flashing. You press the flashing button, or you can press the answer button, and now it automatically puts the first call on hold. And you can see it flashing on the top right. Now, if a third call comes in, you will see the pop-up on the screen. Just press answer. And now line 1 and line 2 are on hold and flashing on the top right. Now to move between calls, you can put this call on hold and then use the arrow keys to move between calls. So as I press down, you see all the different calls that you have on hold. And when you get to the one you want, you hit Resume button, and now you are connected to that call. If you hang up on one of the calls, you're back to 2 calls and you will see them flashing. You can just hit the flashing button or Resume button to get that call, and now you are connected to that call.